Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about dulse, which is a type of sea vegetable. I have some dulse flakes here. And I've got a list of tips and ideas for you for using dried dulse. And this is kind of a long list, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. I have a link to the part 1 video below in the description box. Make sure you check out that video as well so you'll get the entire list. You can sprinkle dulse flakes lightly on a pizza before baking it, and it'll add a little bit of a salty bacon type flavor to it. If you want to reduce the saltiness of your dulse, rinse it and then soak it for 20 to 30 minutes in some water, drain it well, and then use it as desired. If a recipe calls for a sprinkle of dulse flakes and you don't happen to have any, you can substitute a sprinkle of sea salt. And if you have them available, other types of sea vegetables can be used as a substitute for dulse. Examples include arame, wakame, hijiki, if I pronounce that right, and kombu. If you happen to have dried dulse leaves on hand and you're in the mood for a salty, savory, bacony type of snack, you could just simply snack on the dried leaves. You can use dulse leaves in a DLT sandwich, and that's dulse, lettuce, and tomato. Using dulse leaves would be a lot easier in this case than using the flakes like I've got. But if you've got the leaves, it would give it a bacony type of flavor and saltiness to it that you would get otherwise in the traditional sandwich. How about adding dulse flakes to a smoothie for a salty, savory flavor to it, and to also help remove the toxic heavy metals from your body? I do hope this helps you out. If you have any other ideas, share them below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.